Hi guys, my name is Kathan Agarwal, studying in Nika University, and we will be moving forward to the part 5 of building the chat application with PHP. And we are going to make a file which is post.php, which will basically handles incoming chat. It will have getting a message from sent from JavaScript. We will set a default time zone of Latvia. Uh, we'll also uh, we'll also make it possible to show that which user is messaging with time and username of that person. And lastly, we will append the message to log.html so it saves. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we'll open the PHP and then session start. If set the session start will basically work as starting session to know which user is sending message. And now we will add a script for to take or to extract the messages sent from the JavaScript. Let's set the default time zone to Latvia. We'll be setting up for Europe, Riga. Now let's format the message with the time and username. So we'll start from text message equals to class. Class chat time. As I said that we will include the chat time as well. So we'll be using a general format of time which is 12 hours. will show up with the username. Now it will include the name of whosoever logs in. Strip slashes, as I've already explained you in my previous videos. Strips slashes. And finally we will append message to log.html. Text message file append. I think I did some mistake here. Oh yes, it works now. So let me add a comment here. Okay, so this is format of message with time and username to show up. And as I said, this will be pending messages to log.html file. Maybe we can run and check if it works. Nope. I think I did some mistake there. I think I did some kind of mistake here, which is let me just find out. Oh yes, I added this inside the bracket which I took out. Now let's check if it works. Yes, it works. It shows the time of Latvia, but it doesn't have a space there. Just a minute. Yes, perfect. So it displays the message with username and with the time as well. So yes, this was the post.php that we have, and we can proceed further to commit. So we can add a commit statement here, handling shows up incoming chats with the time and username. I think it's committed. Let's proceed. Oh yes, see the post.php and it is committed, so you can see the chats here, and you can also see that the log.html is saving the messages as well. Thank you guys. This was our post.php, and part 6 will be moving forward with style.css, and that would be mostly the last part. And thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you.